Nakigab. For 3. No good. Rebound, Roel. Steal by Brian. Brian. Hang time, wala. Rebound, makukuha ni Gab. Gab. May tangan ng bola. 20 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Jeff for 3. Short, rebound by Pau. Pau passes to Roel. Roel goes all the way, no good. So, with the offensive board, no good. Rebound ako ni Marky. Shot clock reset. Zhao, with his patented move, 2 points. Assist by Marky. Pwede yun, one dribble pa lang. Shot clock, 15. Shot clock, 10. Gap offensive rebound. 10 seconds shot. 8. Turnover. Sakto yung suot ni House. Tuesday basketball. 15 seconds, shot clock. Walang kumuha. Turnover. Gab. To Brian. Brian goes inside to the middle. No good. Makukuha niya ulit ang offensive board and 2 points. Brian doing business with his own. Wag. How? Repeat performance. Wala. Rebound na konti. Pero turnover. To Brian. Brian, hindi na kailangan mag-dribble. 2 points by Brian. Assist by Deo. Assist by Deo. Kick out pass. Mark E with a 3. Pass. Assist by Pau. Dun. 5-4, lamang ni 5. Naideo pa rin. Sa clock 10. 7, 6. Rebound How. Kapek malinis, grab steal. Kapek balik. Steal by Pau yun. Marky to Roel. Roel! Foul. Nice assist. Reset to 14, pagka-inbound. Bola! 6! Start time. Ay, oo, tama.
Possession tayo, ha?
Sige, next possession sa White. Shot clock reset. Pau, middle. Passes to Roel. Roel, wala. Rebound, makuha ni PK. To Deo, going middle. To Gab. Gab goes middle. Gab again. Gab pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound, makuha ni. Ano na daw? Reset natin to 14 pagka-iba. Chaos magic. Sa clock 10. Short. 10 minutes and 45 seconds. Game time. Shot clock 17. Shot clock 10. 7, 6. Hindi tumama ng ring yun, ha? Yan na, reset na. Change possession. Gab rebound. Gab pa rin. Down. Si Pau. Re-reset to 14 pagka-inbound. Next na miss sa white ball, ha? Tandaan lang natin. PK, middle. PK to Gab. Mid-range, wala. Makakuha ni Zhao ang defensive. Rebound. Sa kanya pala na bola. Goes for the pull-up shot. Ay! Taking matters into his own hands. Sean Livingston. Strong group athletics. Shot clock, Bell! 8, 7. Ball down sa baba. I-reset natin yan sa 14 seconds shot clock. Alright. Jeff. Jeff goes right. Pass it to Brian. 8 seconds. Roel. Oh, defense. Oh, by Roel. Steal by Leo. BK, 2 points. Assist by Brian. Assist by Brian. Sorry. Ganun na nagagawin ko, no? Brian tas BK. Walang may distinction.
Balik.
Shot clock, 16. Pass by Pao to Chong. Rebound ka. Narinig ko yun. To Gab, still Gab. To BK, gathers, and he's fouled. Mga nanonood talaga ng Spurs, ganado eh. Okay. 10, 9, 8. Out na.
Walang, good shot yun. Good shot, libre. Harap na.
8 minutes remaining sa ating ball game. Sa ating set game.
Balik.
17. Shot clock. 10 seconds. 9. Oh! Pao finds the open man again. At sino nga ba ang open man? Walang iba kundi si Zhao. Shot clock 16. Deo goes left to Jeff. Jeff, back shot. Oy! Floater pala yun. Deo, assist. Jeff, 2 points.
Buhay nyo na kaya? Buhay nyo yung
Marky, quick 3, hindi. Sige kay Pao. Pao directing traffic. Shot clock 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Up. Shot clock 13. Pao goes for 3. Wala, di ba makuha ni Jeff? Score is 9-8 lamang yung 9. Na ano, sinapaw. Deo goes middle, goes for the float game. Wala. Rebound, makukuha ni Pao. Up. Pinaul na. Isa tayo sa 24. Apollo, ang lamang Apollo. Okay. Sige, Roel sa ilalim, naipit. Sige kay Chong. Tumaki. Good pa rin niya, sige. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, Maki for 3. Wala, rebound, makukuha ni Roel to Chong. Back to Pao. 10 seconds shot clock. Finds Zhao. Wala, rebound, nakuha ni Gab. Goes all the way. Pivots and so easy 2 points. Pero grabe yung spin, yung pivots. Zhao, babawi. Napaganda pa yung kapay. Ay, sayang. Jump pa rin. At nakaul na siya. Time remaining 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Lamang na ngayon ang ADs. Pao to Chong. Chong tries for 3. Malakas. Rebound. Makukuha ni Jeff. Jeff passes to Brian. Brian with the 3-on-2 advantage. Brian goes all the way. Oh. Huli na. Huli na. Nag-ops na kami ha. Hindi kami pwede tumawag. Roel. Roel, naku. Op. Op. Kayo ang kayo naglalaro. Reset to 24 yan. 4 minutes and 50 seconds na mga 80s ng isa. 80s na lamang. 10-9. Change na yung favor. Binalik sa baseline. Bright for 3. Wala short. Rebound. Makuha ni Pau. Pau, navigating. Pau to Jao. Oh, naku. Best. The best man to pass the ball. Assist na naman ni Pau yun. Grabe talaga. Nagliliyap ang kamay ni Boss Jao. Mid-range maestro. To BK. BK against 4. Is there any doubt na apat ang kailangan para tigilan si Boss BK? Gab. Gab against 2. Kick out pass. Pinaluwag ang bola. 7 seconds sa clock. 6. 5. Jeff goes for 3. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Roel. Dalawa sila doon. Good rebound. Libre si Chong. Tapos. Okay. Bola ng puti. Bola ng puti. Leo. Napamadali. Oh! Huli ni Pao. What a defensive play by Pao. Pau to Chao. That connection string online pero hindi lang offline. Leo against 1. Oy! Wala lang ha. Oy. Kailangan kayo gustong ipahiwatig. To Pau. What a pass by Pau. To Maki. Sagutan na yung dalawang tip. Naku, parang napanood ko to kanina. Umaga. Parang napanood ko to kanina umaga. Sagutan ng basket.
Marky pala yun, akala ko si Dylan Harper.
Oo nga eh. Dylan Harper. 10 seconds sa shot clock. From Brian. Oh! That is a dagger 3. Oo nga eh. Nabanguli ang Hades ng dalawa. Grabe. The team to beat. The defending champs. The OKC Thunder. Lahat nasa inyo na. 9 seconds shot clock. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Naku. Spin na. Spin na yan. Up. Teka, maandang. Wala din. Possession din. Possession. Kanila din. Okay, next possession sa dark na. Pag nagka-contest. Stop time na tayo. Stop time na to. DK. Pinilit ang middle. All down. Last 2 minutes, 15 seconds to shoot. 50. What a gather. Foul down. Shot clock resets to 40. 1 minute and 53 seconds na mga Hades ng dalawa. 10 seconds to shoot. Deo, will this be the dagger? No. Makuha nito. Lasing nga lang ikaw. Oy, wala. Makukuha ni? Bola pa rin ang puti. Dalawa namang 18 seconds. Takla.
Got.
13 seconds to shoot. Jeff goes for the mid-range. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Pau. Pau pa rin.
Hoy, hawak pa.
Bola din nila. Wala rin. Dispute yun eh. Oh. Wala din. Bola din nila. Okay. White ball next. Easy lang, hoy. "15 seconds to shoot. To Chong. Back to Pau. Pau to Jao. Jao goes for his mid-range. Wala. Nakuha ni PK ang rebound.
Takbo!
Gab! Gab sees an opening and goes for 2 points. Assist by PK. 1 minute remaining.
Okay.
17-13. 17-13. 57 seconds. Marky. Ule. Jeff with the rebound. They're gonna try to milk the clock as much as they can. 15 seconds sa shot clock. 4-point lead. 2 possession game. PK goes for the free throw shot. No good. Makukuha ni Chow. May oras pa. Chow. Will he take the dagger 3? No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Gab. I think that might be it. What a gutsy performance by Team Hades.
Lefty.
And he pulls for the dagger. Grabe yun. Just to make sure.
Ay, nahuli mo yung free.
At ayun, mukhang GG na. Final score is 20-13. What a game, what a game. Ganda, maganda. Ganda laban, ganda.